What's going on, everyone? I'm going to be breaking down my scalp. Today is Wednesday, February 22nd. I'm going to be breaking down the scalp. Profited over $100 in today in under half an hour. So I'm just going to be breaking down my thought process and why I had confidence to, put my money behind this. So Friday of last week, which was Friday the 17th, we see these high 40 areas that didn't want to get broken. And these lows that day, they actually served as a resistance line for the next day. So I had my level a little above these lines here, these resistance lines, but I had my level to break here at 40-50 area. So with that being said, the market opened the next day, which was Tuesday, very bearish. Now, I knew the way it opened that even the higher time frames were telling me that this was going to go down for continuation. As you can see here, we're on the 5-minute chart. And the 5-minute chart shows you a lot smoother summary of how the market structure is moving and releasing. See this indicator down here below, blue dot indicator. This is a TTM squeeze, I believe. The blue dot indicates release. When it's the orange dot, it indicates squeeze. Now we want to be entering on releases. And we know that when the market is choppy, that it's going to release soon. So as you can see, these lows told me on Friday that it's just chopped. Now I knew that this was an important level because it didn't even release on the upside when it chose to that day. So seeing it open like this on a Tuesday and Monday being President's Day, seeing Tuesday come and a lot of people, Monday stock market was closed. A lot of people were excited to get in Tuesday. A lot of bearish movement. And also the same thing actually happened from Tuesday's lows on Wednesday. Now, knowing that Friday left a low for Tuesday to move similarly, I knew that Tuesday's low getting broken the way it did today on Wednesday was going to give some release the same way, even if it wasn't as much. So that gave me the confidence to actually get in here. I knew I wasn't going through a reversal simply because this 5-minute chart was very clear. These are the type of candles you want to see, the type of Heiken Ashi candles exactly that you want to see when in a trend. So now I'm going to break down my entry and exit for this play. And I entered here at 10:04. My entry at 10:04 was actually, it was a good entry, but it automatically went through some choppiness right after I entered. And I knew I was okay through that choppiness. It was 4 minutes of straight up some choppy dojis. I knew I was okay because here, if you go down at, 10:02, if you go to the 5-minute chart and look at 10 o'clock, I went in on a good candle. I actually got in a great candle. I got in where it says the sell signal for me. That choppiness, that candle opened up well. That 5-minute opened up well. On the 1 minute, it looked choppy. That fifth candle on this, the fifth candle actually is what saved it. This fifth candle on the 1 minute opening up with some strength is actually what made this candle. So I can tell this candle opened up weak, but then it picked up strength last minute. Then that 5-minute chart breaks its previous low, 39.95. That gave me more confidence to stay in the play. Even though I went through another pullback, I still stayed in. And finding my exit at 10:35, I did get out right before the market turned around. Now, me understanding that it is Wednesday, and Wednesday is known for being Wacky Wednesday, I knew that I wanted to be in and out very quickly. And this is how I look at Wednesday every week, really, because Wednesday is usually the slower moving day out of the week. As you can see, Tuesday moved a lot more than today. And today isn't even close. Today's currently, it's 2:37, and the market still has an hour and a half to go. But it still didn't move just anywhere nearly as much as the day before. So that's why it's called Wacky Wednesday. Definitely want to take my profit and run nice and early. Now, as you can see, I'm here on the 1-hour chart and the daily. As long as the 1 hour and the daily are matching, meaning the hour was red when I got in, and so was the whole day. that's enough confidence for me to say, okay, I'm looking for bearish movement and not bullish. So this is just one thing you got to get out the way pre-market, and make sure you know what you're looking at, and make sure to plan ahead before these trades. Make sure to get your levels, and make sure to know what you're aiming for. As always, guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more.